Chris Fazzackley, NGU Property Refurbishments. Hello, here I am. Right, okay, so we've got a fire damage. The fire brigade had to come out. I'll just show you here. Put my head torch on. You can see absolute burnout. Look at that. Now the key thing is, we did have an electrical inspection condition report, so that confirms that everything was fine. The tenant was actually staying at a friend's house at the time, so thankfully everyone's okay. But the landlord's covered because we made sure we did the electrical inspection condition report to make sure the compliance requirements are there. The smokes did the job. You can see here what a burnout. However, don't panic. Work through. I'm meeting the loss adjuster now. I'll get this property turned round for the landlord. We're dealing with the tenant at the moment, getting the tenant rehomed to make sure the tenant's sorted. I'm basically taking all the hassle away from the landlord. So, if you have a problem like this and you don't know where to start, give us a call. NGU Property Refurbishments, NGU Home Lettings. Thank you.